Boys, we got another one. A 1986 C20 Scottsdale Chevrolet pickup. Here at Rick's Rusty Rex, we're mowing down prices today, baby. This 1986 Chevrolet pickup comes complete with the new look of rash paint. It has barnacles growing on it. Isn't it wonderful? You too can own this 1986 Chevrolet pickup for a low cost of $49.95.95. You say you don't know where Rick's Rusty Rex is? Well, I'll tell you. You take the I-69 bypass, loop over on Doglick Road, run her up 13th and hang a right, baby, and you're here. So stop by today here at I-69 and 13th and pick up your new, used 1986 Chevrolet C20 Scottsdale. Welcome to RCindustry. All right, Derek, are you ready for this? Looks like it's going to be a nasty day. Well, hey, it's Rick here, and it's pretty early on a Saturday morning here. Let me see if I can get this camera over here a little ways. We're going to take old Scotty here and drive it down to a little community south of us. I don't know how many miles it is. And anyway, they're having a car show to raise money, and I think it supports they don't really have a police department in this little town. They got like a volunteer thing, I don't know. Anyway, I think some of the car show is raising money for that. Their support for those officers that most of those officers, I think, are they're not. I don't know. I'm rambling on here. It's early. I ain't had my coffee yet. But anyway, it's to support that kind of thing down in that community. So we're going to head down there. It is raining. So, but I looked on the face pages, and they didn't say they were canceling it. So I'm assuming it's still on. So I will show you more. And that's when I will show you more, yeah. That's the story of Well, from the looks of things, there ain't gonna be no car show today. I mean, what do you think? Well, hey guys and gals, I wanted to take this brief instant to let you know the best way to support this channel is to get your RCindustry merch. Trucker hat, hoodie, we got gray t-shirts, we got black t-shirts, and we got white t-shirts. And since it's cold outside, of course, like I said, we have hoodies, and these come in all three colors as well. So stay warm out there, and remember, go to Shop RCindustry and get all the merch. Thanks for supporting the channel.
Well, it looks like maybe they're going to have it the spring fling after all. There's a few people here where they're parking us in on this hillside here in the mud, so that ought to be exciting for this truck to get out of here. So, well, we'll see. We'll let some more people come in here and we'll go take a look around, and then I guess I'll show you more. Well, you know the drill. There'll probably be music playing, so but we'll take some video here anyway. And of course, you know, we got to take a picture of Scotty here. So anyway, there's a real cool Ford sitting right next to it. We've seen this one before, a couple years ago at a show.
Not my show.
Landed on the door, it's open.
Yeah. I got here.
It's got the blocks of big in it there.
But I'll be around with you.
Now you don't see too many of those. Hello. Oh, you're all right.
He can have that. I promise. You want the lid?
We're supposed to be on that
Here you
side.
go, Carter. I am fine with her. He said fine? I'm fine.
Alright, is everybody over here? I think so, right? Think so? Alright, we want to thank everybody for coming out. Obviously, this is the police department, so we're not car experts or anything like that, so we try to make it fair for everybody. Our judges are not professionals, so hopefully we try to get everybody a trophy, and hopefully we can keep this getting bigger every year. So we're going to start with the top 10. They are not in any specific order, so they're just top 10. Number 1 is going to be Scott Evans. Top 10.
Sweet darling. Sweet darling. Okay, girl.
Next one's going to be Eric Curtis with a 1986 Chevy C20.
Even with that and everything.
Thank you.
Next top
Yeah.
10 is going to be Dean Ozer with the 1969 Roadrunner. Dean Ozer.
I think he's down at the playground.
Oh, he's over there. Okay, so we'll save it for him. Next one's going to be Brandon Meredith with the Mini Cooper. Next top 10 is going to be Tracy Taylor with the Dodge Challenger SRT. Next top 10 is going to be Mike Meredith with the Ford F-100. With the Ford Shelby 300 red.
He may be down there too.
PJ Haynes.
There he is, there he is.
Alright, next top 10 is going to be the Richard Lease with the 89 Dodge Dakota.
Is that you?
Yep.
Next top 10 is going to be Rodney Brown with the 1971 Chevy Camaro. And the last top 10 is going to be George Day with the Chevy Malibu. Alright, and we're going to do best 4x4. So best 4x4 is going to go to Larry Willis with the 81 Jeep Scrambler.
Thank you.
And then with the most unique is going to be Tony Meredith with the Red Rock Ford. And then we got People's Choice, so this is the one everybody voted on. This is going to be for Richard Miller with the 1965 Ford F100 White.
Yeah, it's nice.
And we're also going to give Mr. Miller the tractor trophy because he had that nice tractor in the back. So congratulations on that as well. And then we got Officer's Choice. That's going to be Tristan Meredith with the 1995 Patina Dakota. And then we got Farthest Traveled. I believe it says Cosville on here. That's going to be Kevin Hazelwood. All right, and then we got Farthest Choice.
Thank you.
Who's gonna send him if you could? Apples?
If you want to sit in a letter, we could definitely do that.
Yeah, okay.
All right, and just last one is going to be Best of Show, and that's going to be to Mr. Tim Hayes with the 1969 Ford Mustang Gray. All right, thank you.
Is that legal to take 3 trophies home? What the hell?
All right, thank you, everybody.
We heard you were playing on the playground.
Yeah, we heard you were playing in the big playground stuff. All right, thank you, everybody. I know we're still going to give some door prizes, so if you guys want to stick around, I know the show is going to start at 1 as well across the street, so they're going to be over there, but we will continue to give door prizes, and we want to thank everybody for being part of Gentryville's car show. So thank you.
Well, as you saw, we won some kind of a trophy there for top 10, some kind of thing, in no particular order. So anyway, thanks for coming out. Be sure and like and share. You can join the channel if you want to. And as always, we're making it just like brand used here, baby.
Looking through the pictures, I can see the memory